Tinga 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 tinga. Tinga 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 tinga. Tinga tinga is a land full of stories and surprise.
Tell me about it.
If you like to wonder why, Tinga Tinga is a land of wise.
You won't believe your eyes.
Why I swing from tree to tree.
Why my trunk is long.
Why I'm so
Why I
slow.
take, why my skin is smooth and slick.
You ask why.
Why?
You ask why.
There's a story.
Lots of stories.
Beneath the Tinga sky.
Tinga Tinga Tinga.
Tales from Africa.
Tales from Africa.
Tinga tinga tinga.
Look at all my friends. I'll tell you why. Why Woodpecker pecks. You see, there was a time when Woodpecker never ever pecked. In fact, she made no sound at all. All the other birds had their own special sound. Crow cawed. The Tinga bird sang.
Sleep tight.
Hen clacked.
Come on, little ones.
And parrot.
And parrot. And parrot.
Well, parrot just copied everyone else. But Woodpecker was totally silent. Jumbo Woodpecker, how was your day? Busy, eh? It wasn't busy. It was quite busy, but then again, not that busy. Well, I better go. It's getting dark. Ooh, really dark. Nice talking to you, though.
Tortoise? Tortoise? Where are you?
Have a guess.
I don't know. It's so dark I can't see my trunk in front of my face. Crocodile?
No, it's me, Hippo. Where is everyone?
Watch out!
Need some help?
Yes, please, Owl. Use your big eyes and tell us what on earth is going on.
Well, monkeys, you are on top of Tickbird, who is squished between the bottom of Hippo and the bottom of Elephant. And all of you are standing on top of...
Me, Tortoise.
Sorry, Tortoise.
Oh, Asante, thank you very much. Now, let's just have a bit of calm and try and figure out what is going on.
Well, it's very dark and everybody keeps bumping into each other.
We
and
know that, Elephant, but why?
Animals! The moon has disappeared! The moon has completely disappeared.
What? Eagle's right. There's no moon.
No moon at all.
And no stars. Look.
Well, someone's got to tell Lion straight away.
We'll go.
Monkeys, it's too dark and you'll get lost.
But.
Not another word.
Oh,
This is definitely a job for the birds. We can spread the word and get Lion here in no time. Take bird. Right away.
come on. We can't miss out on this.
Ostrich, run and tell Lion the moon and the stars have disappeared. Peacock, tell Lion the moon and the stars have disappeared.
What? The moon and the stars have disappeared? What? The moon and the stars have disappeared? I'll go. Woodpecker! Tell Lion quick! The moon and the stars have disappeared!
Maybe we should say something.
What did Tortoise say?
Not another word.
Lion, what? Come on.
Oh, Lion should be here by now.
Ah, it has been a very, very long time.
What was that?
Nothing.
Monkeys, have you been up to mischief?
No.
No.
Woodpecker?
I know Lion will definitely have got that message. My birds never let me down.
But Lion didn't get the message.
What are you talking about?
Tickbird told Ostrich.
Who told Peacock? Who told Parrot?
Who told Woodpecker? Who
Who?
couldn't pass the message on.
And why didn't you say anything?
You said not another word.
Oh,
Well, this is a disaster. No moon, no stars, and no lion.
What are we gonna do?
Well, I'm going to fly up and take another look. The moon can't just simply disappear.
good plan, Eagle.
Ah, yes, yes.
Where are they? Where can they be? No moon, no stars, no nothing. The moon and the stars are nowhere to be found. The moon and the stars are nowhere to be found.
Huh? What is that noise in the dead of night? What is going on?
What is that? Can you hear that?
There's another one. And another.
Look, a star.
Look, the stars are coming back.
And another one.
Tinga Tinga, lost in night, had no stars, had no light. Now they come to shine, shine their light on everyone. Once was dark, now it's light. On this magical Tinga night.
Elephant, the stars are coming back.
Can some beast tell me what is going on?
Oh, Your Majesty, it has been one of the darkest nights in Tinga Tinga.
The moon and the stars disappeared. And what is that tapping sound?
I don't know, but it's something to do with the stars coming back. That's for sure. Look. Oh.
It's the moon.
The moon is back.
Tinga Tinga, lost in night.
Lost in night.
Now the moon.
Shining bright, it's so glorious, 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 glorious.
How wonderful. All is good with the night again. Eagle, how did you do it?
It wasn't me.
Owl, did you summon the moon?
No. I was here all the time.
Well, it's a total mystery then. What is she trying to say?
That's the same sound from the night sky.
Woodpecker, was that you?
It was me!
Woodpecker spoke.
Woodpecker spoke! I pecked on the sky, and I made the stars.
He spoke. Woodpecker said something.
Woodpecker spoke. Then I pecked again and made the moon.
Oh, thank you, Woodpecker. And now you have found your own special sound. A sound that is going to prove very useful in Tinga Tinga.
Well done, Woodpecker.
That's why Woodpecker pecks.
I just wanted to do right.
I'm very proud of you, little bird. Tonight you were the real star.
And eagle? Well, that's a whole other story.
Tinga sky. Tinga tinga tinga.
Cheza, cheza! Come on, dance! Imba, imba! Come on, sing!
Tinga tinga tinga.
Shuka, shuka! Shake it down! Woo-hoo! Ruka, ruka! Jump around! Woo! Tales from Africa!
Tales from Africa.